Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be going over some of the new Valentine's Day updates that came out 2 days ago on Saturday. As you can see, there's starting to be some decorations behind me and stuff. So, yeah, I'm not in my main animal right now because I don't know why, to be honest. But yeah, they have decorations all throughout Shema and stuff, so it's really cool, I think. Um, But first, let's start going through the stores. I'll show you guys some of the new decorations and stuff. It'll be pretty lit. Um, so we're in here. It's also Monday, so I'll show you the rare item Monday. So we have all this new stuff, to like necklaces. Then if you go down, oops, I think I just skipped it. Oh, maybe I didn't. Okay, I probably skipped it, didn't I? Yes, this rare heart wand, you can get it for only today. Yeah, I already spent it. So, oh, you can get a pet poodle. It's so cute because it's Chinese New Year's dog year. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the Jam Mart furniture and I have all this really cool stuff. Ooh, I want to buy the lamppost, but oh, I'm too poor. Oh, I'll get it later though. So they came out with some new decorations and stuff. It's really cool, I think. Um, Then I'm not gonna go to the diamond shop. I'm just gonna go back to my den. Um, yeah, I didn't finish decorating it. As you can see, it's really bad and plain. But yeah, so they also came with, oh, you can buy this. I'll show you where it's a secret store. But yeah, this is the Friendship Cottage. You can buy it now. Um, so I'm gonna go to the friendship party, but it's not on right now. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so if you go to like Epic Dance and you go to the Friendship Cottage, and then you go, I might have shown this in my last video. No, yeah, I did. But just in case you didn't see that one, you should. So you can just click on that window, and then you can buy a window. You can change its color and stuff. Showed you this in the last video. If you didn't watch that, go see it, because I pretty much feel it's really interesting. Ugh, I feel like I'm talking so much. But anyways, sorry, I should accept it, but I'm not really. I just don't really want to. But yeah, so if you go to parties, or there's the Riverheart Adventure, I'm just joining in on whoever it is, so we're gonna play the adventure very quickly. Normally I give up, so, because I gave up last time, because the other person quit, then I just quit. But this will actually load. What the heck? What the heck just happened? Oh no, okay, so I can't play the adventure, because I accidentally must have clicked on AJ Outfitters. Okay, please load quicker. Yeah, that adventure's really cool. You have to try to get that gem down the lake, and it's actually harder than it looks. Yeah, it's harder than it looks because you have to find tons of things. You have to escort it down the river without the phantoms getting it, and they're chasing you everywhere and they're trapping you and stuff. It's really bad. But it is kind of fun. You just gotta like keep clicking on it until someone actually you click on it at the same time as someone else. Okay, well, also, here, let's go back to my gen so people don't get in the way of my video. um, so you can also see this is a Secret Valentine, they're in purple. You can like send a message to someone. So like, yeah, whatever I just typed. Oh, it's in red, so, hey dude, don't really know what that was. Then you can either send it as a Gemagram, where they know who sent it, or a Valentine, and then it sends it, and no one knows who sent it. But yeah, it's really cool, I feel. You can send presents and stuff. Anyways, there's nothing better to look at the updates than the Jama journal. So yeah, the River's Heart, I told you that about that. Friendship Cottage is out. What did I just do? Oh, then there's pet poodles. You can adopt a poodle. And the Friendship Festival is here. I don't know where it is, but apparently you can adopt one. So, a special delivery, click on mailboxes around Jama and go on different fun adventures. Friendship Party. I can never find that. It's not even in anywhere. It's the Year of the Dog, New Year's Fortune, the Friendship Bundle. If you like buy a new membership, then you will get all this stuff. Like, I think it's really amazing. I really want that. Secret Valentine's, I explained that. Carnival is almost here. Friendship Armor and Printable Valentines. Yeah, and the rest is from before, so I don't feel we need to go over it. But yeah, it's really cool. I want to finish decorating my den. I won that at a giveaway. She thought it was a beta, but to be honest, it wasn't. I didn't want to like say anything though. So, I mean, it's kind of expensive actually. Okay, I'm gonna like see if I have enough money. No, I still don't. Okay, well, I'm not gonna waste my time doing that. That's just because I'm so nice. So this is kind of a weird room, not gonna lie. The rug over here with the stepping stones too. Actually, I kind of like the stepping stones right there. No. What am I doing? Okay. Let me put this up here. I think it's rock, like rock textured, but it does look like snow. So I'm gonna put it in the snow. Make it look like I built it. Honey, I didn't. That's alright. Oh no, I just took this out and I really didn't want to. I'm gonna put all my pets or my animals, stuffed animals, on this amazing thing. Where was I? I'm gonna go back one. There we go. That actually took a long time. That's alright. In my opinion, there's not much room in this house. Or den. I mean, there's something good about it. And I like the den and all, but like, it's like nothing to it, to be honest. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, I woke up at 5:30 and I didn't even know I had a 2-hour delay. So that's great. Just great. I had this so amazingly decorated, then I just like erased it for some odd reason. Okay, let's see. Surprised that tree's actually still alive. I mean, it really doesn't even move, to be honest here. Oof. That's some amazing Valentine's Day stuff here. I feel it's really amazing. I'm gonna put like this amazing card up here. I need everyone to see how passionate I am about Valentine's Day and how I'm so nice and sweet for making a card for everyone, even though, seriously, no, I didn't. I've never made a card for anyone. That's a lie. I made cards for a lot of people. I think I'm gonna put like these heart trees here. And kind of scatter them around. Then I'm gonna like put this going like right here. I want to get it like a bench. That would look really good. Wouldn't it? Yeah, it would. Looks like a bench. Should I do that one or that one? I think I'll do that one for the fact it has snow on it. It's good enough. Yeah, it's okay. Not bad. I mean, could have been better, but not that ugly. So it's alright. I never actually got to play the adventure, but check it out. Yeah. Well, anyways, you guys, that wraps up for this video. I hope you enjoyed some of the updates. Make sure to go check out my Instagram, Jammer3, or no, Animal Points Jam 101. Giving you all the updates on there, because I don't make that many update videos on my YouTube, but this one was a special one because Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. So make sure to go check this out. Like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So make sure to go check out River Hearts, the festivals, and many more things. But for now, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.